Welcome back to the Tutoring Pros channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how to solve an equation. We're going to have a few different equations with a few different variables that we're going to have to manipulate in order to get the variable by itself. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more math content like this. And with that said, we'll get started with the video. Number 1. Negative 3x minus 9 equals negative 27. For this question, in order to get x by itself, we're first going to get rid of the negative 9, and then we're going to get rid of the negative 3. We need to think about the relationship between x and the number that we're trying to get rid of. So we need to think about how is x correlated with 9? It's x minus 9. So in order to get rid of 9 or simplify the equation, we need to add 9 to both sides. So we're going to add 9 to the left and we're going to add 9 to the right. On the left side, the minus 9 and plus 9 cancel out, and we're left with just negative 3x equals negative 27 plus 9 is negative 18. In order to get rid of the negative 3, we have to think about what is the relationship between negative 3 and x. When we have a number and a variable right next to each other like this is multiplication. And in order to get rid of negative 3, we have to do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 3. On the left side, the negative 3's cancel, and we're just left with x. And on the right side, negative 18 divided by negative 3 is 6. Number 2, 25 plus 2 times n plus 2 equals 30. Our first step is going to be to distribute the 2 inside of the parentheses. We'll have 25 plus 2n plus 4 equals 30. Next, we need to combine like terms on the same side. So we have 25 and we have 4. We can combine those because they're just numbers on the same side. 25 plus 4 is 29. Plus 2n equals 30. In order to get n by itself, we need to move the 29 over to the other side and then the 2. In order to move the 29 over, since the correlation between 29 and our variable n is addition, we're going to subtract the positive 29 over to the other side. On the left side, it cancels, and we're left with just 2n. And on the right side, 30 minus 29 is 1. So I'm just going to bring this up here. 2n equals 1. In order to get n by itself, we have to divide each side by 2. And we'll get that n equals half. Number 3, negative 9b minus 6 equals negative 3b plus 48. To solve this question, we first have to combine like terms, and we're going to have to move similar terms over to the other side. We're going to move this negative 9b over to the right side, and we're going to move the positive 48 over to the left side. We move the negative 9b over by adding 9b. So plus 9b plus 9b. On the left side, we're left with just negative 6 equals negative 3b plus 9b is going to be 6b plus 48. Our next step is to move the 48 over to the other side. We're going to subtract 48 on both sides. Negative 6 minus 48 is going to be negative 54, which is going to be equal to 6b. I'm going to write that up here. Negative 54 equals 6b. To get b by itself, we have to divide each side by 6. Negative 54 divided by 6 is going to be negative 9. And that is going to be b. Number 4. 5b minus 6 equals negative b plus 30. Similar to question number 3, we're going to have to move terms to the opposite side of the equal sign in order to combine the like terms together. The first step is going to be to add b over to the other side. On the right side, the negative b and plus b cancel out. And on the right side, 5b plus b is going to be 6b minus 6 equals 30. Next, we're going to add 6 on both sides, plus 6 plus 6. And we're going to get that 6b equals 30 plus 6 is 36. So I'm going to write this up here. 6b equals 36. Our last step to get b by itself is going to be to divide each side by 6. And finally, we will get that b equals 36 divided by 6 is just 6. And that is the end of our video for today. Thank you for making it here till the end. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If there's any topic that you're having trouble with that you want me to go over specifically, please make sure to include it in the comment section below. I'm going to be paying attention to the comment section for this video in particular to see if there's any topic that you guys want me to go over specifically. So I'll be looking out for that, and I'll see you in the next one.